This is my hair in the morning after I bleached it. It contains no product. After I bleached my hair last night, I washed it with a neutralizing shampoo and I let it air dry and I slapped in a satin cap. I didn't follow up with my treatments directly after I bleached it because I was just too tired. So for my aftercare, I'm going to be doing an Aphogee protein treatment followed by a deep conditioner. If you're going to use this particular protein treatment, I suggest you get the full protein treatment kit and you follow the instructions to a T. The full kit contains a shampoo, the protein treatment, and a balancing moisturizer. So first I started by washing my hair. I mixed some of the shampoo with a little bit of purple dye in an attempt to knock out some of the brassiness and yellow out of my hair. Think of this shampoo as a primer for your protein treatment. So first you want to wet your hair. Do not apply this shampoo to dry hair because your hair will absorb the shampoo. So wet your hair first, then lather and remove all the product buildup and stuff. Then rinse with lukewarm water to keep your hair cuticle open for the treatment. So after you've washed your hair, be sure to towel block the excess water, and then your hair is ready for this treatment. Now it's very important that you apply this to your hair evenly, so part your hair in small sections and you can comb the product through your hair or you can rub it in. Just do whatever you need to do to saturate it evenly. So why is the protein treatment so important after you've bleached your hair? Well, because hair is mainly made of protein and bleach breaks down the protein in your hair and it increases your hair's porosity, which leaves tears and gaps in your hair strands, which make it more susceptible to damage. A protein treatment will help rebuild the protein you've lost, and they'll nourish your hair with the vital proteins that help seal those tears and gaps in your strands. However, too much protein can make your hair stiff and dry and prone to breakage, and your hair was probably dry before you did the protein treatment anyway, so that's why you should always follow up with a deep conditioner to rehydrate your hair and balance out the protein. After you've applied it to your entire head, you need heat to dry your hair. So if you don't have like one of those salon dryers, a blow dryer will do just fine. The protein reacts with heat to rebond broken sections of the keratin chains in your hair. So you need heat. Once the protein has dried into your hair, it becomes really stiff and hard. So don't try to manipulate your hair when it's like this. Actually, don't touch your hair at all until you're ready to rinse it because your hair can snap off, your hair can break at this stage because it's so hard. Step 2 of this treatment is the Balancing Moisturizer. It's supposed to restore softness, shine, and elasticity. Apply it all over, leave it for 2 minutes, then rinse. And that's it for your protein treatment. Now, because of how strong this particular protein treatment is, you shouldn't use it again for at least another 6 weeks. Next, I'm gonna go in with my I Am Hydration Elation. At this point, my hair still felt pretty brittle. I left it in my hair for about 30 minutes. I would have loved to leave it in for like an hour, but I didn't have extra time. After I rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair, I just styled my hair as usual with KeraCare Leavein conditioner and their defining Custard. Then I air dried my hair and that was basically it. When I was finished putting all the product in my hair, the ends were pretty straight, but it dried curly. So I really hope this video helps you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll catch you next time.
I'm in my new creps when my iPhone rings. If it ain't money, it's a bing ding.